Welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am Sweet Angel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, go ahead and subscribe and please hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I'm uploading. Today, what am I mixing up? Y'all know I am in the kitchen. Honey, I got all kind of fruits and vegetables that's ready to be one of my wonderful treatments. So y'all, you need to stay tuned and check this one out. I'm serious. You're going to love this. It is all about today, this 3-in-1 mask to moisturize, firm, brighten, and honey, yes, it's outstanding. Y'all, let me tell you what we're working with today. Let me go ahead and prepare everything. Get him a bowl, a spoon out, and yeah, bananas. Really ripe bananas. And then we have potato juice. Yes, we have juiced potatoes. If you've been with the channel for a few days now, you know we have been whipping up potatoes in our juicer. The topical application of potato juice can help combat and treat a range of skin-related issues such as skin darkening, scars, spots, blemishes, hard skin, etc. Potato juice also works as a skin brightening agent. And then we have apple juice or apple puree. This will firm up the skin and help maintain your skin's natural pH balance. Yes, honey, apples, potatoes, we're going to mix those two up. So now you see where I got the firm and the brightening from. But check this out. Once I put these two together, you know what time it is. It's time to bring out those ripe bananas. We don't need much of it. All we're taking right now is 2 tablespoons of the potato juice, 2 tablespoons of the apple juice, and we're gonna kind of slice a little bit over half of this banana here. Yeah, she looks like she's seen better days, but the riper the banana, the better it is for your skin. So let's just cut this little stem off right here. And let's get on down to about right here and cut this banana a little over half in two. And we are going to prepare this banana to blend with our already amazing potato juice and apple juice puree. Okay, let's get this popping. Now, maybe I should have gone ahead and mashed my banana first, but you know, I kind of messed up on that. But we ain't gonna worry about it. I was so excited to get to it. And not only am I taking the meats of the banana, I am scraping the inner peel as well, because you have a ton of nutrients and all kind of good vitamins in this banana peel. Inner portion that you cannot find anywhere else, honey. So let's just mix this up and mix it well, because we're getting ready to moisturize, firm, and brighten our skin. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. You don't have to shop and order anything. You know you probably have potatoes, apples, and bananas right there in the kitchen. Mix all the ingredients into a thick paste. Yes, honey. That's what I'm doing, trying to get it right. I'm trying to make sure I get all the lumps and bumps out of it, because that really helps this to work. And the mask is complete. It's now time to cleanse the face and get ready to apply it. Stir it around a little bit. Yes, honey, I know how to do that. Stir it around, stir it around. And now apply this wonderful mask to your face. This is all you have to do. This apple juice, potato juice, apple juice, and bananas is going to leave your skin glowing and soft all day long. You're going to love how it's going to take care of your skin. Man, actually, y'all, today I'm trying it again. That was yesterday, and today I'm actually doing this again, because I love the way my skin felt. You want to know how my skin felt? Oh my goodness. You're going to be amazed by it. I can't even explain to you how amazing this mask is. Am I talking too much? Okay, what you need to do is fast forward, keep going because I got to leave this on until it dries, about 15-20 minutes or so. So once it dries down, okay, I'm excited. It's now time to rinse it off, and let's see what goes down. Again, I kept it on about 15-20 minutes. It's going to dry down somewhat, and we're going to get ready to see what's happening with it, okay? Y'all, I think you're going to be amazed. Yes, I think you're going to be amazed. Let's do this. All right, she's back. She's better, baby. Look at my skin. Maintenance is so important. People ask, what do you do for skincare? Y'all know what my job is every day right here on the channel, right? So there you go. Okay, this is magnificent. Have I ever used that word before? Magnificent. Oh my goodness. Baby, you better get in that kitchen. Better get in that kitchen right now. It speaks for itself. There you go. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Look, bring you something I know you can use. Glow it up right now. And yes, just rinse it off after you've applied it. Let it dry 15-20 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water is fine. Just wet it down, circular motions, lifting it up off the skin, and then drench it with water and then pat dry. Yes, I love it. I love it. Let me check myself out, okay? Okay, it's all good. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is some good stuff. Amazing. To moisturize your skin, firm it up, brighten it up, you got it right here. 3-in-1 mask. And yeah, you still will have to put a little bit of moisturizer on it, but right now my skin is still, it feels nourished, but I want to make sure I lock it in. So I'm going to put on a moisturizer. And that's it. Y'all, if you like today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you have a question, leave it down in the comments. I'll be glad to do my best to get to each and every one of you beautiful babes. Yes, I do. And if you don't have anything to say and you enjoyed today's video, drop me 2 hearts. Okay, 2 hearts in the comments. I'm trying to see if you made it to this point right here, okay? And if you did, in fact, you'll give me those 2 hearts. And beautiful babes, look, I am out getting ready to enjoy my skin. Probably beat this face today, get all cutesy. And yeah, y'all know what time it is. Your girl loves you so much. I appreciate all you do for me in supporting this channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all, I'm out of here. And one more thing, don't keep me a secret. Please share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next video. Keep watching. Bye.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up quench this fire.